could use some of that sunshine because it is cold out there. An Arctic front blew through the area late last night, and look at how the temperatures have tumbled. This is a graph of the Austin temperatures right here in the middle of town over the past 10 hours or so. And look at this, 9 p.m. yesterday, sitting pretty at 71, very balmy degrees. But after that, here comes that Arctic front, and temperatures have just been tumbling ever since then. Down to the mid-40s right now is where we stand. And boy, this is a different story out there this morning than what we saw just 24 hours ago. If you compare the two temperatures from right now versus 24 hours ago, we are pretty much 20 to 30 degrees colder this morning than we were yesterday. 22 degrees colder here in the city and 27 degrees colder right now than we were 24 hours ago out in Llano. Translating that to actual temperatures, look how cold it is. Instead of the 60s that we saw area-wide yesterday, 39 in Burnett this morning, 37 degrees in Llano. We're still in the mid-40s here in town, but everybody's temperatures are continuing to fall. And it's not just the cold air and the wind out there bringing that cold air, it's also some cold rain. Storm profiler radar zoomed in on the Austin Metro, shows a nice little wave of some light rain showers heading in from Del Valley up to ABIA, right on up the toll road to Manor. And if we take a look towards the southeast, this is not the only area of light rain we've seen. We'll take you on a little radar tour down to Bastrop and Fayette counties. You can see some ongoing light rain down in those areas as well. And folks up in Williamson and Burnett counties have been getting a little wet this morning as well. You can see some light rain moving from Burnett and Marble Falls right on up towards the northwest as that radar loops there. And we'll continue to see a good amount of this activity, we think, all throughout our Super Bowl Sunday. A broader view right now on the satellite and radar shows that cold front moving through last night. If you can make it out, sort of that leading edge of the rain right there, there's that wind shift, and you can see that front is well south of central Texas now, and behind it just very, very cold air streaming down. Look at this pinks and blues, some ice and snow up there in the big country into the Red River Valley. 1 to 4 inches of the white stuff possible up in Abilene, and combine that with up to a quarter inch of ice. Could have some major traffic headaches up there a little bit later today. But the good news for us here in central Texas, yes, we will get the cold air. Look at that, 24 degrees in Lubbock. That cold air is heading our way, but we don't think we'll see any of the wintry precipitation this time around, only a cold rain. We'll take you through it hour by hour on our clouds and radar forecast, and you can see through noon today that light rain continuing on and off area-wide, along with those gray skies, very cold northerly winds as well. But notice all that pink stays off to our northwest. I wouldn't even be concerned with the wintry mix in the hill country this time around. Looks like everybody will just have a cold rain throughout the day today. Notice by 5 o'clock starting to wrap up from west to east. We'll see these showers end pretty quickly by sundown. But boy, it will be a cold night tonight, even though it will be a dry night tonight. So this afternoon, temperatures falling through the 30s after lunchtime. Just a very cold, rotten, wet day as well. Tonight we will dry out. We will drop below freezing here in the metro, 28 degrees, but we're not concerned with ice because we will be dried out in terms of precipitation falling and from those northerly winds drying out the water that's already on the road. So not a big worry there this time around. All right, we're dry tomorrow, 51 degrees on a mostly cloudy Monday, but another little storm system comes through on Tuesday with a round of rainfall, and look at that cold air behind it. High temperatures in the 40s Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and another concern with icing on Friday morning. We'll keep you updated as it unfolds.